President Tokayev, thank you so much for this opportunity. It's an honor to have you on Leaders Talk on China Media Group.
It's my pleasure.
Talking about international relations, Mr. President, in recent years, some countries framed China as a threat. There's both rhetoric and actual policies of antagonizing China, of attempting to decouple with China, and of containing China. How do you feel about that?
I feel sorry about that. I don't share this view, and we do not support this concept. Speaking about Kazakhstan, we strongly believe that China is a very good friend of my country. And looking back in the historic developments, China never made any damage to the Kazakh people. And of course, we keep it in our historic memory, and we very much appreciate this.
Talking about Taiwan, it is a hot button issue. Actually, you recently said that, actually you said it on many occasions, that it is very important to uphold territorial integrity for all countries. Recently, you rejected calls for Taiwan independence. Can you elaborate?
We believe that it's a question which should be absolutely clear to everybody in the world. Taiwan is a part of China. So the principle of the territorial integrity of all states has been fixed in the Charter of the United Nations, which must be respected. And this principle also has been put in the declaration and in the Charter of the Shanghai Organization for Cooperation. So once again, for us, it's absolutely clear. Taiwan is a part of China, and we have no hesitations about that.
Would you support an eventual Chinese reunification?
Yes, of course. I think that eventual reunification will take place sooner or later. And there are Chinese who live in Taiwan. There are Chinese who live in China. So they must be together.
President Tokayev.